19th pre-competitive skill test.
It would be necessary to pass orders about those applications immediately so that government servants who have to be retained are not continued beyond the period for which their services are much needed. Full stop. We may be made to calculate leave preparatory to retirement in all cases, and the report should be sent to the appointing authorities within a week from the date the reference is sent by your office. Full stop. A sizable number of persons shall retire on the 1st of January, 1966. Full stop. Necessary particulars of those persons will be furnished by the appointing authorities as soon as a decision is taken. Full stop. It would be hard to expedite the pension cases. Full stop. New paragraph. I am to request that adequate arrangement may be prepared to make pension audit verification reports within a fortnight from the date a reference is received by our offices. Full stop. The last date prescribed for submission of these documents, that is 10th of month, is also not being adhered to. Full stop. The result is that the lists cannot be printed in time. Full stop. In order to ensure the systematic preparation and maintenance of list of debarred personnel, it is requested that the requisite information in respect of the department offices, including the subordinate offices, may be furnished in the prescribed forms, arranged alphabetically, punctually by the 10th of last month. Full stop. New paragraph. It has been observed in much cases the authorities concerned are in a position to furnish all the necessary particulars of the debarred personnel for the reason that a proper record of their particulars has not been maintained by him. Full stop. It will be appreciated that unless full particulars of the individuals concerned are included in the consolidated list issued by the establishment division, there is a danger of some of these individuals rejoining government service undetected, and thus the very purpose for which these lists are issued will be defeated. Full stop. It is decided that for the sake of uniformity, the period for extension shall commence from the 1st of February 1966, as some of the cases pertaining to these persons who have passed the age of 65 years will be furnished before these dates. Full stop.